Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. To my returning subscribers, welcome back and thank you for your continued support. If you're new here, my name is Akech, also known as Asedo, and I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy easy recipes, consider subscribing. Today I'm making cinnamon flavored mandazis. The ingredients for this recipe are plain flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon powder, yeast, and oil. As always, the full ingredient list is in the description below. I ran out of baking powder, so I used yeast instead. The result was perfectly soft and light dough pockets. I start by combining the dry ingredients, then I add oil and incorporate it into the flour until it has this crumbly texture. I add water in little increments while mixing. The dough is coming together beautifully, but I added a little more water than needed, so I add a little flour and knead. Be careful not to add too much flour because we are aiming for a soft dough. At this point, I add oil to the dough and keep kneading for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the dough stops sticking to the bowl, our dough is ready. I add more oil to coat the dough so that it doesn't stick to the bowl as it rises. I cover this and let it rise for an hour or until the dough doubles in size. I lightly knead the dough to get rid of the excess air. Then I cut a piece of dough to start rolling. I'm working on a small surface, so I work with small portions. I heat some oil as I start making my mandazi pieces. I don't like my mandazis too thick or too thin, but feel free to adjust yours to your liking. I now cut the dough. The size and shape of the mandazis is a matter of preference, so cut them however you like. Once the oil is heated, I add the dough pieces and fry them on a medium heat until they are cooked and golden brown on both sides. I place the cooked mandazis on paper towels and repeat these last steps until all mandazis are cooked. The kitchen is filled with the comforting scent of freshly baked donuts and sweet cinnamon, creating a warm and inviting environment. These were so delicious, and the cinnamon added a warm, subtle sweetness that complemented the soft, airy texture of the mandazis. These can be served as a snack or as part of your breakfast menu. They go well with tea, coffee, or any beverage of your choice. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it as much as my family does. If you do, kindly share how yours turned out in the comments section. Thank you for watching Asedo's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for simple recipes inspired by Sudan, South Sudan, Kenya, and beyond.